to talk about audit of PPE or property, plant, and equipment. This is the second part. So, sasagutan natin yung mga complex na problems involving mga error correction as well as the computation of depreciation. So, be right back after this. So as we can see here, this is the example problem on property, plant, and equipment. So let's read down without further ado. Let's get right on to the business. The delivery trucks account of your client, the Alfred Company, had a balance of 2,820,000 on January 1, 2016. Ayan. Which included the following. So ito raw yung mga fleets of trucks niya. No? So we have truck number 1, 2, 3, and 4. The acquisition date is January 1, 2013 for 540,000. That's the cost. Truck number 2, that's July 1, 2013. That's 660,000. Number 3, that's January 1, 2015 for 900,000. And truck number 4, that's July 1. Ito yung mga acquisition dates, no? 2015, 720,000 for a total of 2,820,000. Says here, the accumulated depreciation delivery trucks account had a balance of 906,000 on January 1, 2016. This amount represents depreciation on the 4 trucks from their respective dates of acquisition based on a 5-year life, no salvage value. So ito yung yung policy ng company, no, to depreciate these types of assets for 5 years, no, yung useful life nila. But when you say useful life, it's not necessarily yun lang yung kumbaga yung bang hanggang doon mo na magagamit yung asset. Ito lang yung kumbaga yung useful life niya doon sa negosyo, doon sa operations nila. But in other non-commercial activities, pwede pa naman gamitin yon. So kumbaga parang estimation lang naman yon, no? So even beyond it's yung useful life niya. Sometimes even pa i-extend pa nga yun eh. So depende rin naman yun sa pag-maintain, no? So ito lang naman kumbaga ito lang yung policy ng company. So no charges had been made against this account before January 1, 2016. Transaction completed during the period January 1, 2016 through December 31, 2019. So that's 2016, 2017, 2018, and 2019. So that's about 4 years. And the entries made to record them were as follows. So January 1, 2016, truck number 3 was traded for a larger one. So trade in. The agreed price of which was 1,020,000. Alfred paid the dealer 500,000 cash on the transaction. The entry made was debit delivery trucks for 500,000 and credit cash 500,000. Now, kung titignan natin dito, no, kailangan computein natin yung trade-in value, no? Kasi parang trinade niya yung kanyang dito, yung truck number 3 niya, this one which was bought in January 1, 2015 for a larger one dun sa truck number 5. So nagkaroon siya ng mas malaking truck which is yung itong truck na number 5, no? So ito yung entry ni ito yung journal entry nung accountant ni Alfred, yung company. So nag-debit siya ng delivery trucks for 500,000 and cash for 500,000. Na-receive na cash. Pero hindi ni-reflect dito yung trade-in value nung truck. No? At isa pa, magkukompute rin tayo ng depreciation expense diyan. Kasi sabi nga kanina, hindi pa nag-depreciate yung company before January 2016. So we'll take that. No? So that's about 6 months. No? Kasi July 1, kumbaga nag-trade in. So from January 1 to June 30, mag-provide tayo ng depreciation for the truck number 3. Okay, so next is January 1, 2017. Truck number 1 was sold for 110,000, and the entry made was debit cash for 110,000 and credit delivery trucks for 110,000. Ayan. Okay, so tignan natin. No? Yung truck number 1 binenta raw. No? So kailangan malaman natin yung carrying amount nung truck number 1. Para baka mamaya may gain or loss yan dyan sa sale na yan. No? Okay, kasi ang nakita lang natin dito, yung acquisition cost niya is 540,000. Now, ang tanong, yan pa ba yung ano niya, yung halaga niya nung binenta siya ng 2017? Definitely hindi kasi bumaba na yung value niya because 2013, 14, 15, 16 and yun. So that's about 4 years, no? Okay? From January 1, 2013 to January 1, 2017 kasi hindi mo na i-count yung 2017. Since yung 2016 lang yung kumbaga na-consume, no? So ito yung ito yung natanggap nila and credit delivery trucks. No? So of course we're going to also i-consider natin yung depreciation expense niya, no? Yung mga accumulated depreciation, no? Para malaman rin kung merong gain or loss diyan, no? Because yan, so naglabas ka ng asset, binenta mo. No? So for cash, okay, so how would you know kung merong gain doon or may loss? Kailangan i-compare mo yung carrying amount as of that date, no? With yung sa, of course, with the purchase price, no? Kung magkano pa yung halaga ng carrying amount niya. And then July 2018, a new truck, number 6. So bumili pa ng isang truck, no? Was purchased for 1,080,000 cash and was debited at that amount to the delivery trucks. So mahilig siya mag-debit sa delivery trucks. So, siguro kasi ito yung account na ginagamit nila, no? Okay, assumed truck number 2 was not retired. Okay, so baka may kinalaman rin siya dito sa truck number 2, no? Okay, and then yung July 1, 2018, truck number 4 was severely damaged in an accident and was sold as junk for 21,000. Alfred received 75,000 from the insurance company. Entry made by the accountant was debit cash for 96,000. Inat niya kasi yung 75 tsaka yung 21,000, no? So that would amount to 96,000. Ano yung ginawa niya, no? Credit sales for 21,000 and credit delivery truck. So tinanggal niya na dun sa account, no? 75,000. Now, again, iyan ba talaga dapat yung entry? Kasi normally pagka naglalabas tayo, especially that, no? Okay, kumbaga parang dinidispose na natin, no? In that case, kumbaga parang na-damage yung yung truck. So, kumbaga na-sold na lang siya as junk, no? Yun yung pinaka value niya, net realizable value niya. So, entries for December for depreciation had been made at the end of the financial year as follows. So ito yung year as well as the depreciation expense. We have 2016, that's 609,000. Ayun ang ginawa niya, no? Okay, so 2017, meron rin na 633,000 to the depreciation expense. 2018, merong 733,500. And 2019, merong 834,000. Now, ano ba yung sinabi rito kanina? Okay, account balances. This amount represents depreciation for trucks from the respective days of acquisition based on a 5-year life. No salvage value, no charges had been made against this account, yung depreciation, yung accumulated depreciation before, of course, nung sinabi dyan, January 21, 2016. So, ito yung, yan. So, ito yung ginawang depreciation nung for 2016, 17, 18, and 19. So let's answer the following questions here. So what amount of gain or loss should have been recognized on the trade-in of account of truck number 3 on July 1, 2016? Yan. So we'll now proceed with the solution. Okay. Okay, so this is the solution, and this is the trade-in value. Magkano ba yon? Yung truck number 3, nung bumili. Ito kasi yun, no? Okay, so tinatanong kung magkano yung amount of gain or loss dun sa trade-in. Okay, which was obtained dito sa information na to. Ayan, yung truck number 3. Truck number 3, yung acquisition cost niya is 900,000. Yung sa truck number 5 was 1,020,000. Pero nagbayad si Alforn, yung company, ng 500,000 dun sa transaction na yon. Okay, so that would be yung trade-in value, that's 1,020,000 yung value nung truck number 6, less yung 500,000 na natanggap na cash. So this would be 520,000. Okay, and then next is yung book value nung truck number 3. Okay, so this would be the cost of the truck number 3 was, as we saw a while ago, it's 900,000, and less accumulated depreciation from January 1 to July 1. Kasi ito yung, naalala nyo, yung purchase nung nung pinurchase yung C3 was nung January 1, 2015. So, from January 1, 2015 until nung time na pagbenta sa kanya, okay, which was about July 1, 2016, that's 1.5 year. So may depreciation siya na 1.5 year, which is 900,000 divided by 5, yung policy nila na 5 years, yung useful life, times 1.5 year. So that would be 270,000. So kukunin natin ngayon yung pinaka book value niya, which is 630,000. So yan 630,000 na yan would be deducted from yung trade-in value, okay, which is the difference dun sa nung price nung truck number 6 saka yung perang dinispose ni Alforn. So that's about 110,000 loss doon sa trade-in. Okay, so that's the amount, no, yung loss, no, yung pag-trading niya dun sa truck number 3. Now let's take up number 2, which is Alforn's net income for 2016 was overstated or understated by how much? Okay, so kunin natin yung ating mahiwagang solusyon. Yan. So, depreciation per client. Yan. So, this is 609,000. Nakita na natin dito yon, no? Yung sa number yun. Yan. 609,000, which is given. No? Nag-provide sila ng depreciation dito. Okay? And yung correct depreciation was truck number 1, 540,000. Yun yung purchase price. If you're wondering, yun, 540,000 yung sa, yan, truck number 1. Okay. So this is of course divided by 5 years. So yung kanyang depreciation yearly and or annually, that's kung ayaw mo yearly, the annually, that's 108,000. No? Okay, now yung next is yung truck number 2. Okay, kasi kailangan natin pagbanggiin yung depreciation nung per client, yung per record, saka dun yung tama based on dun sa policy. So yung truck number 2, that's 660. Ito yung purchase price there. Divide this by 5 years, so 132,000. And truck number 3, that's 900,000, which is the purchase price of truck number 3. Okay, nakita natin kanina yan, no? Bago siya i-trade in. Of course, also divide this by 5 years. However, nag-ano siya, yung bang binenta siya nung half of the year, no? Yung July 1, 2016. Okay, so that's why kalahati lang. So 900,000 divided by 5 years times 1/2. So that is about 90,000. And of course, yung truck number 4, that's 720,000. Okay, divide this by 5 years. Okay, so again, nandun sa taas yun. Yan yung amount niya. Okay, so yan yung kanyang purchase price. Yan. Sobra tayo. So that would be 144,000. So first truck number 5, ito yung trade-in, no? Yung 1,020,000. Okay, so divide this by 5 years. Yung naalala nyo, yung trade-in, yung truck number 3, dun sa much larger truck. So yan, si truck number 5. Actually. Yan. I was thinking about yung isa pala yung truck number 6, which is isa pa yung binili, no? Okay. So, yan. So, 102,000. Ito naman, ito yung trade-in. Trade-in naman to between yung nakuha natin dito kanina sa taas. Ito, yung si truck number 3, no? Trade-in siya doon kay truck number 6, truck number 5, no? Okay, which is ang cost nun is 1,020,000, no? Okay, so yun. So of course yung kanyang depreciation divided by 5 times 1/2. So kunin lahat natin yung total nun. That would amount to 576,000. Okay, and then after getting yung truck number 5, which is 102,000, we add all of them, no? So itong 108 plus 132 plus 90 plus 144 and 102, we have 576,000. Now, itong 576,000, ibabawas dun sa per client. Ito yung sa record, no? Tapos ito yung tama, yung 576 yung na-compute natin dito. So yung net income understatement, no? Okay, as you know, pagka mas malaki yung expenses na ni-record kaysa dun sa actual, there would be a reduction dun sa net income, no? Because now, of course, ito yung tinatawag, since mas maliit yung dapat na i-record kaysa dun sa na-i-record na, which is 609, no? So merong understatement dun sa net income na 33,000 pesos. Okay, now isama pa natin yung trade-in dyan. Okay? Okay, so there would be a net overstatement. Yan, kasi itong trade-in hindi naman siya na i-record, no? So ito yung na-compute natin doon sa previous, no, doon sa number 1, no? So in other words, 110,000 less yung 33,000 will give you a net overstatement doon sa net income na 77,000. Okay. Now let's proceed with question number 3. At sabi dito, the gain or loss on the sale of truck number 1 on January 1, 2017 was, okay, yung gain or loss raw. Okay, now, again, going to our solution. So, yung net proceeds was 110,000 pesos. Yan. It's 110,000 pesos. Okay, kasi ito yung dun sa truck number 1. Okay, truck number 1. Yun. The truck number 1 was sold for 110,000. So yung entry is debit cash for 110,000 and credit delivery trucks for 110,000. So yung net proceeds was 110,000. Ito yung pera natanggap. Tapos yung book value ng truck number 1, okay, was of course yung cost at 540,000. We have seen that a while ago. And yung less yung accumulated depreciation from January 1, 2013 until yung from the time na in-acquire siya up to January 1, 2017. So that's, we said that it was about 4 years, not 13, 14, 15, 16. So we have, kano ba yun? No? So that's about 540,000 divided by 5 times 4 years. Yeah. So we have 432,000. Okay, so kukunin natin yung difference between the cost and the accumulated depreciation in order to get yung book value, which is 108,000. Tapos ibabawas natin dun sa net proceeds. Okay, so that will give you 2,000 pesos. So anong tawag dito? Gain on sale dun sa pagbenta dun sa truck number 1. And so there was a gain of 2,000. Now the next one is yung number 4. The question is Alphonse net income for 2017 was understated by. Okay, so kunin natin yung ating mahiwagang solusyon. So depreciation per client noong 2017, that is about 633,000. Ito siya. Nakita natin doon. Ayun, 633,000. Okay? Yan yung per client. No? Okay. And yung correct depreciation. Okay. Correct depreciation was truck number 2. We have 660,000. Wala na kasi yung truck number 1, kaya tinanggal na natin lang. For 132,000. Truck number 3, wala na rin nun kasi naibenta na rin siya in 2016. Okay, for 700 divided by 5 years. And yung truck number 5 for 1,020,000. So divided by 5 years, and so 204,000. So this is 480,000 in lahat. Okay? Now, of course, i-deduct rin natin dun sa per record, no? So ito yung tama, ito yung correct depreciation versus yung per record. So there is yung bang net na ano ang tawag dito is yung net understatement ng net income or net income understatement kasi mas mataas yung ni-record kaysa dun sa tama. Okay, as you know, yung depreciation that will have an effect of decreasing your net income, no? Kasi expense yun eh. Okay, so yan yung kanyang net understatement. Yan. So yung unrecorded gain on sale, yung on the net income understatement, yung 2,000, yung kaninang na-compute natin sa taas. So you will have an net understatement of, in total nito, 155,000. Okay. Yan. So ibig sabihin, kulang yung net income na yan noong 2017 by 155,000. Now, next is yung what amount of loss should have been recognized on the sale of truck number 4 on July 1, 2018. So yung truck number 4, there was also a sale of that, no? Okay, so yung net proceeds is 21,000. Ito yung na-damage na truck. Okay, na naibenta na lang ng 21,000. Okay, tapos yung book value ng truck number 4, of course, yung cost niya, yung nakita natin kanina, that's 720,000. Yun siya, yung binili noong January 1, 2015. And less accumulated depreciation from July 1, 2015 to July 1, 2018. Okay, or 720,000 divided by 5 years. No? Okay. 5 years because that is the policy. No? Pagka-acquire ito, so 5 years yan. No? So 5 years and useful life niya. So this is being depreciated over the 5-year useful life times 3 years kasi 2015, 16, 17, 18. So that's about 3 years. So this is 432,000. So we have the book value at 288,000. Now kukunin natin yung yung difference ng net proceeds with the cumulative dun sa book value. So there's a loss on sale of 267,000 doon sa truck number 4. Okay. By 267,000. Kasi kumbaga naibenta na siya ng 21,000 eh. No? Okay. So let's proceed now to Alphon's net income for 2018. Was it overstated or understated? So that is the question. So again, let's go back dun sa the solution. So depreciation per client para dun sa 2018 was 733,500. So it's also recorded 733,500 here. Okay, this is on 2018. Yeah. Yan siya. 733,500. But the correct depreciation, of course, in 2018, marami nang nawala na truck. Pero truck number 2 nandun pa rin. So that's 660,000 divided by 5 times 1.5. Yeah, so 66,000. Next is truck number 4 times divided by 5 times 1.5, 72,000. Okay. And then truck number 5, so full year depreciation siya. So that is 204,000. And truck number 6. Okay, so that's divided by 5 times 1/2. So this is 108,000. So for a total of 450,000. And so you just get the difference. So that's about 283,500, which is an understatement din sa net income. Kasi again, mas malaki yung naka-record kaysa dun sa tamang depreciation. Sabihin, nabawasan yung kanyang net income by that much. Okay? So, comparison lang yan, no? Okay. So, yan. So next, yung ano naman, yung ating unrecorded na so next yung unrecorded loss on sale, which is the overstatement, no? For 267,000. Yun yung nakuha natin dun sa previous number, yung loss on sale. Okay, that was unrecorded, no? Okay, and then followed by yung unrecorded gain on insurance recovery dun sa truck number 4, which is nakakuha pa ng 75,000. Ayan. So which is also a understated, no? Nag-understate yung net income niya kasi hindi natin na-record yung insurance. Ayan. So yun kung if you want to go back here dun sa number 4, sabi dun, truck number 4 was severely damaged in an accident and was sold as a junk for 21,000. Alfred received 75,000 from the insurance company. Ayun, yun yung statement na yun. Yan. Okay. So we have the erroneous credit to sale or net income overstated for 21,000. Okay. Nakuha natin doon rin. Yung nandun sa, of course, this is also relating dun sa July 1, 2018 transaction. Ayan. So that's for 21,000. So that's doon natin nakuha yan, no? Okay. Ayan. So we now get the total. So we have 70,500, which is the net understatement doon sa 2018 net income. And then finally, we now proceed dito sa number 7, which is what amount of depreciation should be recorded in 2019. Okay, so madali lang ito, no? Okay, so 2019 na lang kasi. So the 2019 depreciation expense includes yung, kasi karamihan na ibenta na eh. So includes yung truck, which is still, no, for 5 years. Divided by 5 years. So this is 204,000. Tulad nung depreciation dun sa taas, no? And then first yung number 6, no, which is first yung nabili rin na sakyan. So that is 216,000. Okay? Mapapansin mo yung number 6 dito, half a year lang, pero doon full year, no? Kasi kung yung number 6, kung titingnan natin dito sa taas, okay, yung transaction dito was purchased noong July 1 lang, 2018. So that was about half a year lang. So from July 1, 2018 to December 31, 2018, that's only for 6 months. Okay, so ganun. Kaya may mga fraction lang yung depreciation natin dito sa number 6, no? Itong number 2, since na-dispose siya half a year rin noong 2018, as well as yung number 4, no? And then number 5, of course, na-acquire yan. So mas maaga. So that's why full depreciation siya. And then yung number 6, half a year rin, July 1, 2016. So that's why, no? Okay, so makikita natin dito, since dito naman sa number 7, 2019 lang naman yung hinahanap, no? Okay, so wala nang ibang assets except for truck number 5 and number 6, no? For this much, no? So just divide it by their useful life, no? So that's 420,000. This would be the total depreciation for 2019. That should have been recorded, no? Okay. So if you have any questions with regard to the preceding topic, you may just write your comment. And of course, you may also suggest a topic that you want us to discuss in the future. And of course, you can also give me a shout. I'll give you a shout out. So God bless, take care, and stay safe and subscribe. Hit and like the button.